Hey folks, if you're interested in gardening, you should know this map, but there are a few things you may not know. The U.S. Department of Agriculture puts this out to help gardeners know what grows well in their area. You can look up your zone by zip code at the website, which will be pinned in the comments. Down here in the legend, you will see the zones are divided by temperature by 5-degree half zones. Many people think this is the lowest temperature this area experiences. Actually, it's a 30-year average of the area's lowest temperatures. This 2023 map is based on 1991 through 2020. While you're on this page, click on How to Use the Maps link at the top. Now, all of these are interesting, but if you click on number 4, Background for Map, and its use, you'll find a great overview of other factors that can affect plant growth, like microclimates, temperature, soil moisture, all of that. Start again. One more thing I want to address on this website. If you go to the map downloads link, you have even more choices to explore, including old maps, more detailed maps, and a comparison map showing the change between 2012 and 2023. There we go. Now, this 1990 map is of particular interest to me because I started gardening in 1990. Looking at the legend, I see that I've been living in Zone 7, which I already knew. What I didn't know is how much they've changed the zones. On the left is the 2012 version. On the right is the 2023. Here I focused on the southeastern United States. You can easily see that much of North Georgia and Alabama that used to be Zone 7 is now clearly 8B. The North Georgia and Alabama mountains have worn too, especially along the I-75 corridor. So in conclusion, when you're planning next year's garden, check out the USDA Plant Hardiness webpage. If you've been gardening in the same place for years, you might be able to push your limits. The most important thing to know before trying a plant is what the plant likes. The more you can provide it with its perfect conditions, the more likely you are for success. So do your research. After all, thumbs turn green through knowledge and experience. Thanks for listening.